Hi investors, today we are going to talk about the different maps that you require when you are buying a plot. What do you ask from the seller? You need a map to show you where the plot is, but even before you are given the map, which just shows that plot size, and maybe the person selling to you bought 5 acres or 2 acres, so it's a subdivision of a very small portion. But you also want, you want the map, the survey map that shows you the beacon. The beacon is the mark that shows this plot number 1, that is plot number 2, number 3, number 4, up to whatever plot. The other one is IRM, that is Index Registry Map. This is a map that you need to buy from the LAD's office, whichever LAD's office, be it Nairobi, Kajiado, Machakos. Every registry has these maps. It is a map that shows the relationship between your plot and the neighboring plot, the larger area, and it shows you the boundaries, the roads, because the person who is selling to you may show you only the roads that are just next to the LAD. But you need to know access right from the main road coming to your LAD. You need to know the actual roads. So that map is very important. And then it's important to make sure you are buying a plot that has already been put in the register, that IRM. Why? It is because it has already been accepted, it has gone to the various processes of surveying, and it has been accepted at the LAD's office. If you buy a plot that has not been put there, most likely there's a process that has not been completed. And why buy a plot that has not completed the process? So get that IRM. Then the other map, the other document you need that has also a map is the mutation. Many times, customers confuse mutation and the ground map. There's a difference. The ground map only shows you the beacons, and the beacons are never put on the title deed. So what is put in the title deed is what is in the mutation. A mutation is that it is drawn by the surveyor and presented to the LAD's office for title registration. So the registrar uses that mutation to give you the title, and this is the company owners. They are the ones who do this so that they get all the titles and then they sell each one of them. So it is important to ask for that mutation so that you also see the measurements. It gives the actual measurements of the plot. So when you are buying a plot, make sure you are given a mutation, because it shows you the size. If it's plot number 1, what is the width, what is the length, so that you go to the ground and you measure the width and the length of that plot and match. If there's a mismatch, then you need a surveyor who is going to guide you, or who is going to ask where is the other part of this plot. So if there's a mismatch, then the plot is not well surveyed. So it is important to have that mutation. That is before you have given any coin, you have paid any deposit, you need that mutation. The other map you need is that is when you are buying title, a freehold plot, that is when you need that mutation. When you are buying a leasehold plot, it doesn't have a mutation. What it has is a deed plan. A deed plan actually it's also related to mutation, but it gives the actual position of the plot. Actual position of the plot, it actually gives even the coordinates. It's also done by a surveyor. So it is put in the title deed, which is written certificate of lease. It is put together with those documents. So when you are buying any plot of lease title, there must be a certificate of title and there must be a deed plan accompanying. If there's no deed plan, then you need to ask for it. Those two must be together. So this deed plan shows the exact measurements also of that plot. So those are important documents for you to have before engaging in any plot you are buying or any land you are buying, and you should know whether you are buying land that is lease or leasehold or freehold. For freehold is like the reserve plots, land we have in the rural areas or some places that are not in the municipality. Any land that is within the municipality, it is usually a lease. So there is a money you pay to the municipality for development of social amenities and such things. So you pay rates to the municipality, to the municipal council. For example, if it's a plot in Syokimau, it is a Damavoko municipality, so you have to go to Athi River and pay some rates. And then that land has also some rent because it's government land. You have leased it for 99 years, so you must pay rent annually. And it is important to know. It is you to know what land you are buying and your responsibility upon that, so that the government can also continue giving us services. Pay your rent at land's office, at the house. Pay your rates at the municipality. The local authority take care of that, and the government keep on acquiring land, lease land. They lease, convert lease, freehold to leasehold. So it is important to also know, to be aware of how land keeps on being converted. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and give comments, share this video with your friends, and let's keep on learning about land. Thank you.